Welcome to our comprehensive guide on creating a Fanbasis checkout page. We'll explore its importance for creators in today's digital world. First, let's discuss the key features that your checkout page should have to maximize efficiency. Now let's set up your Fanbasis account step by step. It's quick and straightforward. Customization is key. Let's learn how to design your checkout page to reflect your personal brand. Next, we'll discuss setting up payment options and currency preferences seamlessly. Let's take a look at how to enhance your checkout page's functionality with additional tools and extensions. Before going live, it's crucial to test your checkout page. Here's how to do it effectively. Now, let's get into tips for optimizing conversion rates to increase sales. Avoiding common mistakes is essential. Here's a list of what to watch out for. And there you have it. You are now ready to create your Fanbasis checkout page. Go ahead and start building your future.